welcome back to Maya Claire's Baking Fair. Last week we had over 400 views and 54 subscribers.
Give a round of applause.
And this week I want double that, okay? Double those numbers. And this week we are going to be baking, drum roll please, banana bread. All right, this is what you need. You need pans, 2 eggs, cooking spray, liquid measuring cup, salt, baking soda, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, 2 bruised bananas, sugar, flour, buttermilk, measuring cups, and measuring spoons, and a mixer. First, we are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Let's start baking. So first we're going to measure out the flour. It's 1 3/4 cup of flour. So here we go. In goes 1 cup. In goes the 1/2 cup. In goes the 1/4 cup. All right, boom. Now we're gonna do the sugar. You're gonna need to measure up 1 1/2 cups of sugar. All right, here goes the first cup. And here goes the 1/2 cup. Boom goes the dynamite. Now we are going to do 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Boom. Now we are going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, here we go. Now we need another bowl for the wet ingredients. So we're going to add 2 eggs. There's the first one. And there's the second one. Boom, shotgun. Now we need 2 very ripe bananas. All right, there's the first one. All right, and now here is the second one. Now we need to smash them in there in the bowl. It should look something like this. Now we are going to put in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. There we go. Bang, bang, boom. Now we are going to put in 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of buttermilk. Okay, perfect. Here we go. Now the 1 tablespoon. In goes the 1 tablespoon. Boom. And the last thing we're going to put in is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. . 1 Here we go. All right, now it's time for the mixing. Now let's mix up the wet ingredients. All right. Now we are going to pour this into the dry ingredients. All right. I promise it's gonna turn yummy. It just doesn't look too good right now. Now it's time for mixing. All right. We're gonna mix it all until it comes together. All right. Now I think we are about done. And look, that looks so good. Now we are going to spray the pan. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. I might have used a little bit too much, but yeah. All right, so this part is a little bit tricky for me, putting it in the pan, so I'm going to call in my assistant.
I like bananas.
Alright, that's good. That's good, monkey. Alright. I think we have more for a second loaf. Yay! Also, you have to fill up halfway. Since we have 2 loaves of banana bread, I'm going to give one away to a lucky viewer. Stay tuned to find out who it is. Now we are going to stick them in the oven. Oh no, we forgot to take these out. Jack, cut that out, cut that out. Now that that's taken care of, we're gonna put these in the bottom rack. All right, now we're gonna set a timer for 1 hour and 15 minutes. All right, there we go. Whenever I make banana bread, this is how I spend my time. Snow angel. Look at that beautiful snow angel. Now we're going to go to the tire shop. Let's head back inside. All right, almost done. All right. All right, now we are going to do the toothpick test to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. If it comes out clean, that means that they're done. Yep, that one's done. And that one's done. All right. Once they have cooled down for a few minutes, run a knife through them, through the edges, and they will come out. Okay. And then boom. Got one. Yum, look how good they look. You gotta flip them back over. Oh, yum, they look so good. Bum, 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 bum. We have a special guest trying out this banana bread.
Mr. Monkey is here.
Is it it good, Mr. Monkey? And the moment we've all been waiting for, who gets this lucky banana bread, is, drum roll please, Mrs. Wilson, my 3rd grade teacher. Thanks for watching another episode of My Claire's Baking Fair, and smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. See ya!